Hi guys, encourage sana to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jambi Joroge. Welcome to my little space. So today we are doing this cute hairstyle inspired by Yara Shahidi herself. So I saw this picture of her and I was like, I want to try it. You know me and seeing pictures of celebrity with the hair and makeup and wanting to recreate them, so I just had to give this a try. Let's get into the video, but before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb.
Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit.
Okay, so I'm just starting off by spraying a little water and leave-in. I had a gel hairstyle before this, so I'm not even going to bother to do a lot. I just went ahead and just kind of stretched it, and now I'm just going to go ahead and just section at the middle. I usually start uko chini so that I can get like the perfect middle part. So I just went ahead and just did that. Next, I'm grabbing a rubber band and I'm going to hold one side. This is what we are using. This is nice and lovely styling gel, and we are going to apply that all over my hair. Yeah, just take your time and apply as much as your hair needs. And then I'm going to grab a comb and I'm going to start brushing going downwards. Her pigtails are situated downwards, so that's where we are going to be brushing our hair, because we're going to hold our hair with the rubber band at the bottom over there. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just brush it and make sure that everything is slicked back. And this is me just grabbing my hair and just holding it with a rubber band at the back. And then of course I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. I go in with my styling gel, brush it out and hold it with a rubber band at the base. So once I'm done, I go in with a little styling gel on the top, and then I just grab my brush and I just go ahead and brush that out. Next, I'm going to be trying to lay my edges. I'll just tell you guys trying because I have little to no edges. My edges are non-existent. I just force. Okay, you have to at this point. I'm going to let this sit for about an hour. So it's been about an hour and this is how the hair turned out. Next, you're going to be needing some braiding hair. I went ahead and just sectioned it into 4 parts. As you can see, this is for only one braid. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do that. I don't know how to explain it, but I just tangle 2 of them together. I think that's like the best way to explain it. And then we are going to start braiding. So I just go ahead and just kind of attach that at the base. And at this point I have not yet separated my hair, but once that braid is secure, I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair so that it can fit into the other braiding sections. And then I'm going to grab another piece of hair. This is one of the 4 pieces that I showed you. I'm going to grab that and I'm going to be attaching it to that place over to that braid. And what this does, it helps to increase the length, and I wanted kind of like a longer braid, so I went ahead and just added pieces of hair. I think I added twice. So yeah, this is only 1 pack of hair, do not be alarmed. And then of course I'm going to be repeating the process on the other side, and I'm going to be using another 1 pack of hair. So in total you need like 2 packs. So yeah, I just went ahead and added another section of braiding hair to my braid. How much braiding hair you add is dependent on the thickness that you want and the length of the braid that you want, but I just added twice. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of braid that out all the way to the very end. And then once I go to the end, I just seal that with a rubber band just to kind of stop the braid from unraveling. And of course I repeated the process on the other side, and this is what we ended up with. So this is our final look, my loves. I told you it's a very simple, very quick, easy hairstyle that you can do for work, for your job, for school, whatever it is. If you want like a quick little fix that is so quick and so simple, then this is a hairstyle for you. So yeah, this is how it turned out. Let me know what you think. Did you like it? Would you try it? I promise it looks like hers. It's just that the East African forehead mine are a little bit higher, but you know what, it's not supposed to look like identical, so I don't mind that. But it does look like hers. It's just that the East African forehead is just, you see, it does look like hers. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye my loves.